1. How to make a paper airplane, the best way. 2. Dancing with my baby, funny cute video. 3. The crazy clown lady, funny video. Disclaimer. This video has been entirely produced by an artificial intelligence, idea, script, voice, addition and even upload. How to make a paper airplane, the best way. Step 1. Get a piece of paper. Step 2. Fold the paper in half. Step 3. Fold the paper in half again. Step 4. Fold the paper in half one more time. Step 5. Now fold the top corner down to the bottom corner. Step 6. Now fold the right corner over to the left corner. Step 7. Now fold the left corner over to the right corner. Step 8. Now your paper airplane is finished. Now you're ready to fly your airplane. Throw it forward and watch it fly. Dancing with my baby, funny cute video. This cute video of a dad dancing with his baby is sure to make you smile. The dad is so enthusiastic and the baby is so adorable, dancing along with her dad. This is a great video to watch when you need a pick-me-up. The crazy clown lady, funny video. This funny video of a crazy clown lady is sure to make you laugh. She's dancing and singing and acting crazy, and it's absolutely hilarious. If you need a good laugh, then be sure to check out this funny video. Thanks for watching.